The courtroom is called to order. The judge, with a firm yet welcoming tone, initiates the session. This is case number JVB 1016. The Mercy case, the judge announces. As the room settles, the plaintiff, Miss Mercy, enters. She greets the judge and explains the situation. Her ex-partner's failure to make child support payments and his apparent disregard for visitation rates. Yet she's got new information to present. There's a new twist in her case, and the audience feels the tension mount.
All rise. Support court with Judge Vanda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1016, Mercy case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Mercy, you're back.
Yes.
What's going on?
Well, he's here.
Okay, all right.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing well.
Good. Thank you for showing up for court.
Thank you.
This time.
Yeah. Listen, he showed up.
Okay.
Regardless.
I'm gonna be nice. It's a good day.
He showed up. He's here today. He's going to have his opportunity to have his day in court just like you did, okay? Now, let's go. What's going on?
He just really doesn't like the child support payments. I'm still having a hard time getting a hold of him. We discussed visitation and like shared custody. He's not picking the kids up on his days, but he's out.
Miss Mercy dives into her complaint, revealing that her ex is not only skipping his days to pick up the kids, but he's also been active on social media, portraying a different story. The judge's curiosity peaks as Miss Mercy hints at a game-changing revelation. I catfished him, she admits boldly. The room goes silent. The judge's raised eyebrow says it all. She explains how she tricked him into revealing his true income by pretending to be someone else on social media.
Social media, story going wild.
Okay, so why are you back here today? I guess I'm a little confused. Are you trying to make him pay more?
Yes.
Okay, the last time you were here, you brought in some receipts that really didn't prove that he made more money. What do you have today?
Okay, so yes, I do have some proof about his income now. I knew he wasn't gonna give that proof to me, so I catfished him. And I hit him up under profile Marissa. You remember Marissa?
No, I don't know the Marissa.
Oh, okay. You had a lot to say to Marissa. So, Your Honor,
wait a minute. So you created a fake account by the name of Marissa, and he was telling Marissa how much money he makes?
he fell for the bait.
Isn't that illegal, Your Honor?
Which part?
All of it.
The courtroom is taken aback as Miss Mercy recounts the details. She admits creating a fake account under the name Marissa, and soon her ex was spilling the truth about his earnings. The judge, puzzled yet intrigued, asks, "Isn't that illegal?" Miss Mercy remains unfazed, insisting it was necessary to expose the truth. The drama intensifies. The judge leans in, awaiting more answers, questioning if the information provided is legitimate.
No. We'll get to you in just a second because I have a lot of questions just based off of that. Marissa, so allegedly, he told Marissa all of this information about how much money he makes. Are you sure it was actually him and somebody wasn't using his account?
No, it was him.
How do you know?
Because he protects that phone like his life depended on it.
Okay.
I have assistants, Your Honor, that run my social media account.
Okay. 1 second. Now, what do you have?
So I thought he made $20,000 a week.
20,000. I remember that. You said he made $20,000 a week, and I thought that was a bit extreme for a baker.
It was. It was a little extreme. So he actually makes $4,000 a week, and I've got that proof right here for you.
Okay. All right. So that's an additional, if true, it's an additional $6.
Miss Mercy then presents what she claims is undeniable proof. Her ex makes $4,000 a week, not the $20,000 she had suspected. The judge pores over the documents, nodding, calculating the potential increase in child support. If true, that's an additional $16,000 a month, the judge murmurs. The courtroom feels the weight of this revelation. Could this be the breakthrough Miss Mercy had been hoping for?
$16,000 a month. Let's look through here. Okay. And you're wanting an increase of his child support You do this much talking? Hold on, I'll get to you in a minute. I'll get to you in a minute. So you want an increase of his child support based on these captions about 4,000? Oh, he actually said it. Okay. Again, allegedly, because he said he has an assistant. So let me make sure I write this down. 16,000 additional to the 60,000 that you already said he makes. Okay, all right. The 60,000 a year is 16,000. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him? Because you were here the last time, so I heard a lot of what.
The judge, now focusing on the defendant, Mr. Cody, prepares to hear his side. Sir, what's going on with you? The atmosphere shifts as Mr. Cody stands up, explaining he's a local rapper who tours and performs. He insists that the extra money seen on his social media accounts isn't personal income but rather for his business, an unregistered label that hosts weekend fundraisers. But the judge is skeptical, and the tension grows.
You said, and I have my notes here in front of me. I really want to hear from Dad.
Yeah, I do too, since he decided to show up today.
Listen, he showed up. Again, he showed up.
You're right, you're right.
Didn't we have this conversation?
Right, he's here.
You were here the last time when we talked about you being petty. Y'all wrote it down.
Very petty.
Little bag. Yes, we're not going to be petty today. We're going to give him an opportunity to speak because he wasn't here the last time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, sir, would you spell your last name for me?
Yes, Your Honor. Cotty.
All right. Is it Cotty?
Cotty.
Okay. Mr. Cotty.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
What's
Honor.
going
Excuse me.
on? What's going on? And when I'm asking that question, I'm not looking for, what happened in your relationship and went wrong. We've already established that. There's a court order that says you're supposed to pay $768 a month, okay? So I do have some questions about that. In addition,
Mr. Cody reveals that his assistant runs his social media, posting on his behalf. So it's not you but your assistant talking about your income? The judge asks, sharp and direct. Mr. Cody nods, confirming that the $4,000 per week is indeed for his business. The judge, unfazed, reminds him that this money, regardless of where it's directed, affects the child support calculations.
to this new evidence that she brought in. Now, you said an assistant uses your account.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tell me about that.
Your Honor, I'm a local rapper. That's how I do shows and stuff.
Okay.
Concerts, YouTube, my Spotify, that's how I make my money. It all equals out to about $60,000 a year.
Okay.
As an organization, we have a label that I created back in the Gap, and we do fundraisers on the weekend. We do like bake sales, and we sell baked goods. That's not taxable income because I was trying to tell her that's for the business. That's not for me personal.
You do more bacon than just on the weekend.
It's my business.
Excuse
but
you.
It's
One
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
One second, Mr. Cotty. Excuse you.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it. Okay? All right, give him an opportunity to speak. He let you speak.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
As the court proceeds, the judge presses further. The conversation pivots to health insurance. Mr. Cody admits that while he hasn't set up health insurance for his kids, he reimburses Miss Mercy for the costs. The judge, showing a keen understanding of the case, points out the importance of formalizing such arrangements. It's not just about money, it's about responsibility, the judge remarks, emphasizing the financial and legal obligations.
Yeah, so we bake goods, and I wasn't aware that, this is Marissa, but
So it is true. You were talking to Marissa.
well, I see my messages, but I have an assistant who runs my account. I can't be doing those day-to-day things. I got other things that I like to tend to throughout the day.
All right? So this additional money that are on your captions on social media, is that you speaking or is that your assistant?
That's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
So it is true.
It's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
Mr. Cotty, you show up to court for the first time today and the first thing you want to do is waste my time.
No, Your Honor. No.
Please
no.
do not come in here and waste my time. It's a very straightforward question. If they're posting on your behalf, that means what they are posting.
The court finds itself at a crossroads. The judge clarifies that while Mr. Cody's additional income may be tied to his business, it must still be considered for child support. Texas law says it's based on net resources, the judge explains firmly. Mr. Cody's evasions fall short as the truth emerges. The judgment is clear. Child support will be calculated using the full extent of his income, including his business's earnings.
Is true, yes or no?
Correct.
Okay, so it is true then. You're making the additional money, but you're saying it's for an organization?
Correct. Fundraiser.
All right, so not personal.
Yes.
Is it under any type of LLC or anything like that?
Sole proprietorship.
Okay, all right. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. He's saying that that money is not going to him personally. It's for a business.
Do you know about the label, Your Honor?
Oh, do you know about the label?
I know that they have a name.
It's a yes or a no.
I don't know. Yes, but no.
Don't hate. Just say
Okay,
it.
what does that even mean? Yes, but no.
They're like a group of people who give themselves a title, but are they a legitimate label? That I don't know.
She's been
As emotions flare, Miss Mercy's frustration becomes palpable. The judge warns her not to get petty. You've got exactly what you asked for, child support, the judge says. But Miss Mercy, hurt and frustrated by past dealings, can't help but bring up the catfishing incident again. The courtroom feels the lingering tension between them. The judge, keeping control, points out that both parties must move beyond past conflicts for the sake of the children.
to the concerts, Your Honor. Front row.
Right, but me and my homegirls, we call ourselves something and we're not a label, so.
Okay. Well, I guess, let me ask this question. Do you have access to private health insurance?
No, Your Honor. I just go to the hospital when I need to go.
Can you get access to health insurance coverage? Because right now you're reimbursing her $150 for coverage.
I thought they ended Obamacare.
Okay, so this is the way it works. That's not private health insurance.
Oh.
Private health insurance is something that you have and that you pay for every month. That's what she's doing.
Oh.
The children have to be covered.
How much that cost?
Well, it depends on what program you want to put them under. Right now, she's paying them $150. If you can find something cheaper than that, that would be an option. But if
The judge, now guiding the conversation toward resolution, drops the final verdict. We'll stick with the current child support amount, but you must provide health insurance. Despite the undercurrent of resentment, the judge asserts a fair yet firm ruling: do what's right for the children and stop using their welfare as a tool for personal gain. With that, the judge dismisses the case, leaving both parties with something to ponder.
not, it's best to leave the children under her health insurance plan and just reimburse her, which is what you're currently doing.
So another 150 on top of what I already pay?
No, the 150 is included in that. Without the 150, it comes out to roughly $618. Including that is $768. So if you were to provide health insurance privately for the children, you would just pay that amount, but your child support would be dropped down to a lesser amount.
Your Honor, she don't even take the kids to the doctor. I'm the one always taking them to the doctor, taking them to the dentist
When?
when they sick.
Because I haven't seen you in a while.
Okay, so
But you's on social media though.
do the children live with you?
Might as well say they do.
It's a yes or no.
I would like to say, well, no, but they always over there.
Okay.
The case wraps up as the judge delivers a final word on the matter. You both have your responsibilities. Take care of your kids. Enough said. As the parties leave the courtroom, there's a sense of finality, but also a glimmer of hope. The judge has made it clear, moving forward, it's about doing right by the children.